So depending on where you live, you may see some scooters laying around. In this video, I give you my review and a walkthrough of Bird. What's up guys, your driver Mike here, back with another video. This channel is dedicated to the rideshare space. So if you're a driver, a passenger, or someone just interested in the rideshare space, consider subscribing. So a Bird scooter is an on-demand electric vehicle that you can start for just $1, and it seems like a pretty good option to get around. For short distances, a Bird scooter can be pretty fun. Let's go through a walkthrough of how Bird works. Number one, of course, download the Bird app, sign up, scan your driver's license, and then find and unlock a Bird scooter. You can see here, using the Bird app, we can see available Bird scooters near us. Number two, make sure to ride safe and wear a helmet. Perhaps the biggest challenge when unexpectedly wanting to take a Bird scooter is finding a helmet. Now, you can get a helmet for free at the safety stations located in the Bird app. Number three, start your unlocked Bird scooter. Give it 2 or 3 pushes and then use your thumb on the throttle. Number four, foot placement. When riding the Bird scooter safely, Bird does show you how to do this within the app. Number five, again, when it comes to safety, where to safely ride your Bird scooter. You don't want to ride in the middle of traffic lanes. Use bike lanes when possible and avoid sidewalks. Number six, become familiar with the throttle brakes on the left side of your Bird scooter. Number seven, when parking, make sure to not block public pathways and do try to park near bike racks when possible. Number eight, when concluding your ride, simply lock the Bird scooter within the app to see your summary screen. A few notes about Bird scooters: they are capped at 15 miles per hour. You are required to scan your driver's license, meaning you do need a driver's license to use Bird scooters, and you also must be at least 18 years of age or older. So guys, when it comes to the review, it was really fun. I didn't even plan on taking a scooter. I rode around just a little bit in Pacific Beach, California. It was really a good time. I saw a ton of people zipping around. I had to try it. So you can see the summary screen here. We didn't go very far, just kind of up and down the boardwalk. And there really were a good amount of people using these scooters. It was a good time. It was a fun way to get around. And it was really popular. As soon as we ended my ride, someone came up and started using the scooter. Now, Bird is not available in all markets, but if you're in California especially, look for these at popular tourist destinations, the beach, boardwalks, etc. Let me know if you've tried Bird scooters or a competitor and how it's been. Your driver Mike here. I do appreciate you watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to join your driver team, and I will see you in the next one.